Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for fun with distress oxides where we show you different techniques on distress oxides. I was fortunate enough to get the latest collection of distress oxides from Tim Holtz in the mail today, and that is what I'm using. So the three colors are milled lavender, pine needles, and Victorian velvet. And that's what I decided to do. So I took a bunch of it's actually my traveler's notebook. It's the mixed media insert for my book. Insert, I guess, if you want to call it that, for my book. And I decided to do a bunch of just doodling. You're going to see just a picture. There's not going to be any words on it. It's just me doodling, putting a bunch of stuff together, and doing a little bit of mixed media. You see that I'll touch it up, and I just kind of play around with it. And this is pretty much all I do. I just kind of doodle and make it all look the colors that I want. And then once it's done, and I oxide it, and I dry it, and then I go back and play around with it for a little bit and soften up the edges, and then that's about all I do. And this is a pretty easy technique to do. You just play, and that's all I wanted to do. As you'll probably be able to tell in the next few videos from now until the middle of December, I am almost done with college, and I just want to be over. Like, I am to the point of wanting to be over and be done and all of that. So I'm just not giving myself that much of pressure on what I'm doing for my layouts right now. I'm making them just simple and easy, and sometimes that scares me when they're too simple, but that's okay. I don't mind it. So here I am. I'm just drawing it off, putting it together, making it look right. I just wanted 3 different colors to go down, just something different. You'll be able to see the shimmers and all the different types of textures and stuff that I do in the pictures. I absolutely love these distress oxides. So I happened to get the newer Fields collection from Vicki Boutin, and I got the newer 2 out of the 3 collections of stencils, I should say. And I just took the same tool or the same colors. I just blotted them in different directions with the blending tool. Just kind of placed it wherever I felt. Just no rhyme or reason to it, just wherever I wanted. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Make sure that you go over and check out everybody else. Everybody will be linked down below. There's a ton of us. Go and check out and see what they do. I haven't seen too many sneak peeks. A lot of us are getting ready to go to Heather's Crafty Retreat this weekend. So there's 3 of us. 3 of us, maybe 4. There may be 4 of us that are all heading over to the retreat over the weekend. So I can't wait to just go hang out and talk about crafting all day long. It's going to be amazing. And it's over the 4-day weekend. So I'm leaving. So this is going up the day that I'm leaving. So I will probably be in Charlotte if you guys have not started watching this and whatnot. So yeah, that'll be a lot of fun. So here I am. I just got out some modeling paste, and I just wanted some like big white drops, and that's what I use. Like I said, I just played. I didn't care what I did. I just wanted to do one of the videos with my book, one of my book photos. No rhyme or reason to it. Just wanted to make it. So, and I hope that you all have a good weekend, all of that kind of stuff. I hope that, oh yeah, here's the disaster of what I thought would work. So I tried doing what Missy Whitten does, and it didn't work out too well, so I just started spraying, and then it oxidized it. It was pretty cool on what it does. So you'll see in the still shots what the mist did to the oxides. It's pretty cool looking. You can't see it on camera, but it is pretty neat. And of course, I'm drawing. I get it wet, then I dry some more. Get it wet, then I dry some more. So here you'll get to see how well I am trying to squeeze everything out of it. And I decided I ain't taking nothing off my camera. I don't care. So you get to see me struggle with this. And then I take my tool so that I make sure that it spreads it out, because it was just a big old blob that fell on that. And that's all I do for that photo. I don't even put a backing to it, nothing. So then here I go. I pull out some sequence mix. And this was actually pretty quick. This only took me like 30 minutes to do this layout from start to finish. So that wasn't too bad. And then I got out these two styles of sequence mixes. And I'm sorry, I forgot, but they're in Spiegelmom Scraps, so you can definitely go and check it out. If you want to know exactly which ones they are, just let me know and I will comment down below for you. Here I am, I'm just placing the sequence. That's what you get to see me do for a while. And we've got, this is the 3rd week out of 4, so we've got one more week, which will put us right before Thanksgiving, here in the States anyway. And this was a fun little series. I liked it. I got to learn some new other techniques that the other ladies have shown to do, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this series. I do have a playlist, so you could be able to find all of them if this is the first time you checking back on my channel. And sequence heavy, just playing around. Since this only took me 30 minutes, I didn't want to take anything out. I just wanted to show you how I just was playing. The tool, people ask me about this tool. This tool is from Stampin' Up. If you're wanting a link to it, just let me know and I'll link it down below in the comments to you so that you can be able to check it out. It's a pretty cool tool. It comes with a bunch of different things on it and it works wonderful because the end of what I'm using right now is the putty. It is awesome. I love the thing. And then I get out a roller. Oh, first I come back and I try to soften up this one side. I just kind of play around with it. I just get my pencil, or my paintbrush a little wet just to soften up the edges just a little bit. And then I get out a roller date stamp and I'm just placing a bunch of different stuff on there of different little sayings just about this book or whatever. So the still shots are coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm almost close to my 1,000 subscribers to do my giveaway. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.